Have you ever been in the same room as your kids, but felt like you weren't actually there? Like you're nodding along, maybe throwing in a uh-huh here and there, but in your head, you are making a grocery list, stressing about work, or realizing, crap, you totally forgot to switch the laundry again. And then the guilt hits. You start thinking, oh, why can't I just be present? Am I a bad parent? What's wrong with me? Staying emotionally present is hard, especially when life is constantly pulling us in a million directions. But here is the good news, it is totally possible. And no, you do not have to feel guilty about it. The average person spends 47% of their waking hours thinking about literally anything other than what they are actually doing. So basically, nearly half of the time, we are mentally checked out. And when you add in the chaos of parenting, the work, stress, and the endless notifications, as well as the household to dos, it's no wonder we are actually being present feels impossible. But here's the thing, it is not your fault. Our brains are wired to constantly scan for what is next. This is called the default mode network, and it's basically your brain's background noise. Always running, always planning, always thinking ahead. Super useful for survival, not so useful when you're trying to enjoy a moment with your child. So if you ever catch yourself thinking, ugh, why can't I just focus and be here with my child? Your brain is literally doing what it was designed to do. So, is being distracted really hurting your child? Well, the short answer is not really. But here's the thing, research shows that occasional parental distraction does not damage kids emotionally. What actually matters is that when you are present and you are fully present, even if it's just for a short burst. Think about it like this. Would your kid rather have 10 solid, undistracted minutes of your full attention or an hour of you kind of sort of playing attention while scrolling your phone? It's not about being present all the time. It is about being meaningfully present. So instead of stressing over every distracted moment, let's focus on what actually works. The real doable ways to be emotionally present without feeling like you need to meditate on a mountaintop or throw your phone in a lake. Instead of trying to be present all day, because let's be real, that's impossible. Commit to just 10 guilt free minutes of real connection. No distractions, no multitasking, just you and your child fully engaged. Short bursts of quality time are way more effective than long periods of half attention. You know how you can walk into a room and suddenly remember you needed something? That is called a context cue, and we can actually use it to train our brains to be fully present. So I want you to try this. Every time that you sit down at the dinner table, put your phone in another room. Or every time that you pick up your kid from school, take a deep breath and think, this moment matters. Small habits equal big changes. If your brain is reacting with a million thoughts, one of the easiest ways to ground yourself is by just saying out loud what you notice, such as, wow, you are building such a tall tower, or I love how focused you are right now, or maybe even, look at that blue sky, it is so pretty today. This forces your mind to slow down and focus on the now. Plus, your kids will love hearing it. You need to forgive yourself. You are human. You have responsibilities. You are doing your best. And guess what? Your best is enough. Presence is about intention, not perfection. So, I have a challenge for you. I want you to try just one of these strategies today. Start small and watch what happens. And hey, if this made you feel even just slightly better about parenting, please do me a favor. Hit the like button so I know that this helped you and subscribe for more guilt free parenting tips because you deserve this.